Yo YouTube, what is up? Here today I'm back with a brand new video. Now today I will be bringing you a piece that I copped on the most recent restock that they did for Pop Smoke's merch. Now this was the Wraith Hoodie. This hoodie in particularly I noticed was doing really well on the resale market, and I just want to go get it. I mean, it's a dope piece. Like a lot of the pieces from the drops I missed out on just because I already had so much going on with me trying to just get the first initial drop, so I didn't really go for anything outside of that, which I did regret, and I was happy that I did have another chance to go for some more of those pieces. And I just wanted a regular plain black hoodie, and I thought this one was pretty nice. I seen that on the resale market some were going for like 400 and all these crazy prices, so I was just like, oh, let me cop it right now. They got a restock on it, it's cool, and I'll just take that and throw it in the cut. But yeah, this is a really great piece. Honestly, I love it. I just wanted to support and everything like that. Of course, it is artist merch, so it's not like the mainline Vlone, but these are still pretty good blinks. They are independent blinks, and these are the same blinks that they used on the City Morgue collab and everything like that. And I just overall I'm fucking with certain designs and certain collabs that Vlone does, but I understand a lot of people don't like artist merch because they feel like it's diluting the brand. But this is like an easier way, it's more obtainable to like certain people who don't feel like spending 300 on a hoodie or a tee or something like that. But let's get into it. Now I noticed with this print that they like use like a different style of printing inside the neck tag. Like it says Meet the Woo 2, and then like the other hoodie that I have, the Stop Snitching hoodie, it just had the V and the star, I think, if I can remember. So I noticed that the overall printing, they did a nice job on the printing, and I just overall am satisfied. Now I would say that shipping was a lot faster than the initial brief drop, of course, because the quantities probably were not that high. Not too many people probably even paid attention to the restock. But I'm really excited that I got this piece. I really wanted some more Pop Smoke merch. As I said, I've been listening to like a lot of like Pop Smoke's music for over like the past like 2 years, and I just overall I fucks with just everything that came out of like his catalog, as far as like the albums that he had put out before then, like the whole Meet the Woo series and everything like that. And I just felt like I just had to have a piece of that, and I really am excited to see like what is the brand Vlone gonna do this year. Are they gonna double down on the artist merch, or are they gonna focus more on mainline? I've noticed they had a lot more mainline drops, which I've been paying attention to. I've been thinking about grabbing the First 48 hoodie and some other tees I've been looking at, like the Vlone stripper tee, whatever you call that tee. But yeah, thank you for checking out the video. Thank you for just dropping by, just checking in. If you're looking to buy this hoodie, I would say go on sites like RXBEL, StockX, or eBay. Depop also. But other than that, yep, I'll just show like some more shots here of the hoodie, and you can check it. You can see if you were ready to spend your money or whatever you came for this video for. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Check out my other videos and my other unboxings on the Juice WRLD Vlone merch, and also the Pop Smoke Vlone merch as well. And you have a great day. Peace out.